Really well.
Yeah.
Really well.
Very proud.
Yeah, it's good to see the kids getting on so well as they have done today. Just watching them in the dressing room, we thought it was going to be chaos, didn't we?
Yeah.
We've got a goal all day, and the interest they've shown in the other groups as well, the questions they've asked a lot of questions, so it's been a really good experience.
Yeah, today was the best it's ever gone, I think.
It's been a learning curve, hasn't it?
Yeah, but they've enjoyed it and we've enjoyed it.
We pride ourselves on getting material to the kids that they probably wouldn't get anywhere else. With a show like this, a lot of other drama groups and drama societies would have just done a couple of Victoria Wood sketches and it'd be very open and closed, but we saw beyond that and we took her as an inspiration for what she did and who she inspired.
And who inspired her?
Who inspired her. So when we say a celebration of Victoria Wood, that goes back years and decades. You've got to look at what came before her to put her where she was, and what came after her that was inspired by her. So we thought we can really open this up and we can really introduce the kids to things that otherwise they probably would never have been introduced to. And it's really gratifying to have the kids come back and say, oh, Dinner Ladies was on last night and we were watching it as a family, and we thought, right, well that's why we're here.
I'm so proud of the group members.
Think from people at that day, but the beginning, now I'm probably customers, but started there, but I can get up and take some guys around, like I'm on the home, if I get up on the home, my parents were on the way. So I can come up.
Yeah, I thought the performance was fantastic.
Yeah.
I thought you all did brilliant.
Yeah.
Again, I'm really proud of everybody. We worked really hard.
Yes.
It was all your own work. And some people, we tried different things this time. A few people wanted to do some scripted work.
Yeah.
So we worked with some Victoria Wood scripts, and we went to a visit to the museum.
Yes.
And had a look at the exhibition, the Victoria Wood exhibition there, and we picked up some of her scripts and we worked with those. We did our research and watched some old shows on YouTube,
Yes.
and we picked out elements that we thought we could work with and that we liked.
Yeah.
And characters, we made up our own characters, but we thought they were characters that Victoria would have been proud of and could have fitted into one of her shows.
Yeah.
So yeah, I thought the show went fantastic.
It was outstanding performance.
Outstanding, I agree.
I think it went really well. I'm really proud of everyone. I think, oddly enough, that was the best we did it. That was brilliant. And yeah, I think the energy that we've had, that we had on stage was amazing. People started joining in.
Yeah, it's great. I mean, no matter how many times you rehearse it, when it comes to performing in front of an audience on the actual, this is the actual thing, there's no going back. I always sort of get a bit nervous, but I think it's more adrenaline more than anything, and the audience definitely enjoyed it, so I enjoyed it.
I don't think anything beats that buzz that you get after coming on stage, after performing on stage. It's like electric in it. It's brilliant when you put in a performance. Yeah.